everyone, this is Yvette, and I have another video for you. I'm getting caught up in my videos because I haven't posted many videos lately. So this is a mini album from Kathy King, and it is from her Holiday Kit Club 2 in October, and it was a cauldron project with an 8x8 mini. Max Your Mini album is what it was called. So I made this one, and I did teach a class on it already, and we might do another class if there's enough interest. Might do another class on this at the Scrapbook Cottage in Winnipeg. So if you guys are interested, please give her a call and let her know that you're interested in this 8x8 mini or 8.5 by 8.5, because I think the finished cover is 8.5 by 8.5. So I had bought this kit, and so it came with the orange paper, the purple, the green, and the white, and the black, and it came with some Marion Halloween papers. So this is, I didn't make the cauldron, I just made the mini album. So I did some, you might not see it really well, but this is Glitterits in black, and I just did a little bit of designs there, and then I did cover the back. Kathy didn't do a cover on hers, but I did cover mine. And then the spine, I did increase it to, I think it's 3 inches, and then that's the cover. Layered some chipboard and some stickers that came with the kit for the cover. So I will dive right in. And for matting, I kind of followed Kathy's design. So here's and she showed you in the videos how to create these corners with a corner punch. And so that was kind of nice. That was kind of fun. And here there's room for, you could put your photo underneath there. These die cuts came with the paper, the stickers, the die cut. I used the drippy goo, or drippy, I think it's drippy goo punch from Martha Smith, and I also used the spider punch. I forget what she used, but I didn't have it, so I had the spider punch. And so there's the first page. And I did change, instead of having a 3/4 inch hidden hinge, I changed it to a hidden hinge plus, because I like that even better. So here there's just a sticker, some 3x4s, the photo mats, and that came, and there's a tag in here. This, I have to say, is probably my favorite mini that Kathy has designed with pockets. Like the pockets are great, and everything lays nice and straight or flat, like it's not too bulky. So I really liked how that turned out. So, and then a couple more tags there, a bit of pattern paper, and I did the spider thing on the pages, or on the tags, and then that opens this way. And then here I did some tags, and this one measures 4 by 7.5. This is paper piecing, or a nice pattern. This one here I cut to 5 by 7.5. And then here we have a stack pocket. And then these measure 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. And these are die cuts from the paper, from the kit that she offered. And then here there's another little die cut there. I used the punch here again. So I'm just going to stick those back in there. And then you open it here. So some more cutting with diagonal pieces. Great way to use up all your scraps. And again, these are 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, so just regular pictures on there. This is a Tim Holtz on the edge die. And then you open it this way. And here we have a pocket, and again, some more paper piecing, and then you can put your picture underneath there. And this insert is 7 by 7. Then we have a short pocket here, so some tags. And then this one again is 5 by 7.5. You could probably make it a bit bigger too if you want. And then there's a skeleton here, but I didn't stick him down because I probably will put a picture on there first. And then we have, so it's the same pockets and the same page, but just layered differently. So she made 3 different styles and just repeated it once or twice. So we have, and I did add a magnet to this one. And then you've got your pockets here with just plain photo mats. And then you flip it there, the punch here, some more die cuts from the paper collection. And then another magnet here. And then just matted my tags and then did the inking for the spiders there so that the corners pop. Another tag down here, and then a border punch here. There's an inch here, so now you can put a nice border punch. So flip that over here, and room for a photo, a punch, and this photo mat, I'm not sure how big it is, but it's just leftovers. So, and then this came with the kit, and it's a Marion Smith charm. So on this page, nice layout again, just using pieces. And then I left room here so you can put the photo underneath. But just love how all this turned out. I did pop this up a little bit. So, and then on this side, we've got this mat would be the same as that first one that I told you about. And then this one here. This tab punch is a tab punch from Stampin' Up. And then on this side we have pockets, 2 pockets, more pockets here, the stacked pockets. And I just love how, like, look at all the layering and paper piecing. And then here's the short pocket with the tag. And then that opens that way. And you've got another large pocket area here for photos. And then this, you can put your picture underneath over here. On this side, I really like this. This is just the gold sticker that came with the paper collection. So, and then this is the pocket that I had that 7 by 7 photo mat in the last one. So we switch over to this side, and we have the little pocket there. And I just love the paper, so I just kept it that way. And then here you could put your photos there, and then some more tags for the pockets here. I love the purple and the red orangey flowers. This is a really cute paper line. And then this I just stuck to the page. Again, a couple more mats. Did the tab punch. And here this is a border stamp, or a border punch, but I ended up using ink to because Kathy says border punches just get ruined. So I really like how that turned out. Another stack pocket here. And then this is a nice little page layout here. And then another one here, using that border punch or that border die from Tim Holtz again. And then here is that side pocket where you can put a large photo mat. Place for a photo here. Pocket and tags. The spider web came with the die, with the collection of dies that die cuts that came with the kit. And then we have room for a photo here. 2 pockets here. Room for another photo, and then again some paper piecing there. And there's some more tags. They do kind of look sharp the way she shows us how to ink those up, and it makes the corners just pop. A little mini page here, and these come out too. And then this is our large pocket. Again, nice use of paper, little paper pieces and the punch. And then this one is really cute. Not all in frame here. There we go. And then these photo mats, just leftovers from the pieces here and there. And then we're at the last page. And then we have a die cut here for journaling, another photo mat here. And then when you open it, you've got the stack pockets. And then the tags over here. And there's room here to put more photos. Made a pocket with this die cut. Another pocket here for another photo mat. And then a large pocket with a 5x7 photo there. And then this is the back. And just a large pocket here and a pocket here. This has 6 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 pages, and that's the back. And again, that's the front. And this again is the project is Holiday Kit Club 2, and it was released in 2014. And I hope you enjoyed my video, and we will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.